Hello, guys. Welcome, you guys. Good morning, good afternoon, depends on where you are tuning in from. And for my YouTubers, my YouTube followers, thank you. Nice to see you guys. It's been long. Today, I have a video. I have to share some information with you guys. I will tell you why I don't post very regularly on YouTube, and I will share some information with you guys. The ball is on your court to decide which platform you want to go, or where you want to stay, or where you want to upload. Let me first of all start with YouTube, because honestly this is mostly YouTube video, but I will still share this on my Facebook. So there are so many platforms out there. I'm gonna tell you guys what works and what I find out. I was on YouTube. This is my fourth year on YouTube, and this is my 1 year of being active on Facebook. Okay, so I was on YouTube. I started with doing skincare, and from skincare I got bored. If you really want to grow fast, have a niche, right? So I had a niche of doing skincare. At a time, I got bored, because when you do skincare, you don't make up, you don't wear nice all the time, you're scrubbing your face. And I know I want to do fashion. I know I want to talk about celebrity gist. I know I want to talk about a whole bunch of other stuff. So once you change your algorithm from what you were doing before, your viewers go down, because YouTube algorithm will pick up that particular topic that you talk about and share that to the people that are listening, or to the right viewers, right? So when I change my niche on YouTube, my viewers dropped. You can imagine, where you were cashing over $10,000 a month, all of a sudden to 800 to this. So my videos, the algorithm kicked me out. So I I took 6 months to almost a year. I was still uploading videos of the things that I love, I want to talk about. Still, my videos were not being picked up by YouTube algorithm. I decided to take a year off, completely year off, and not post on on YouTube. And then I come back again to try and post new things. Still, I didn't have views. So I decided, hey, what the heck? Let me try other platforms. So I went back to my Facebook page, which has been there for a long time. I wasn't doing anything. I posted maybe one video a year and stuff like that. So I decided to pick up on a story, trending, gist, and then it was a divorce case and stuff. So I picked up on that saga, and then, I find out that doing videos on Facebook is much easier. I will share with you guys one video that I did. I posted the same video on TikTok, the same video on Facebook, the same video on YouTube, and I will tell you that the views that I got on these three platforms are alarming. What was I talking about? So I decided to build my Facebook page because I was so frustrated on YouTube. People were not watching the algorithm was not sharing my videos. So I find out that when you're on Facebook, doing Facebook videos is much easier than doing YouTube. You have to cut, nip, edit, join. Those things are not on Facebook. You just pick up your phone, boom, you go, you do your own videos, and I love it. There is no special preparations, and people will share your videos more on Facebook and TikTok more than they share your videos on YouTube, because YouTube have a different concept. I don't know, I am not an IT guy. So let me just share this video with you guys. So after watching the one video, in one of the videos, the same video on TikTok, in 24 hours I make close to 2 million views on that video, the same video. On Facebook, I made right now it's at almost 500,000 for that same video, but in 48 hours I made 100 and something dollars just in 2 days posting that video. But the view in that 48 hours was 100 and something views for that video that made me hundred and something dollars in 48 hours. So on TikTok, it's 2 million. But TikTok, I don't think TikTok is paying on my area yet because I check. I'm still on 20 something thousand, 25,000 followers on TikTok. And then the same video, I posted the same video on 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 YouTube. That same video made me 1,000 views in 2 days or whatever. So what does that tell you and what does that leave me with? It gives me the option to try different platforms and see which algorithm will pick up my videos and where I have people. So I figured out it might not work for you, but this is what is working for me. Facebook is where I find what I'm looking for because anybody, any age, grandma, children, all they need to do is pick up a phone, click share, your video goes viral. Your video goes viral. But on YouTube, it's a lot of work. So this is why I don't post very often on YouTube. But you know, people always say when you make that video on Facebook, download that and repost it on YouTube. Sometimes I do, sometimes I'm not bothered because they're not bringing up my videos. TikTok is a place to be. TikTok is going viral. You know why I love TikTok? They have so many things on TikTok. You can choose to be sideways, to face your back, to turn your head upside down when you are doing a video. Everything is there and it's much easier to do. And your videos go so viral on TikTok than you can ever imagine. That also brings me back to telling you guys, because I've watched so many videos where people say that if you post a TikTok video on Facebook with a watermark, it will not be monetized. That's not true. This video you're looking at right now, right here, has TikTok watermark, and I posted that on Facebook and it's monetized. And the same thing goes on YouTube. The same video with watermark, I posted that and it is being monetized. All you have to do is to weigh your options. If you are interested in being a content creator, weigh your options, know what you want to do, see what works for you. And there's something I figure out. I see that a lot of people, let me tell you, you cannot be in every platform, but a little bit of presence makes a lot of meaning. Depends on who you are and what you want to accomplish, how you market yourself. I find out that so many people that have large amount of followers on Facebook are not doing well on YouTube. I see them with millions, 1 million, 500,000 followers on Facebook. I go to YouTube to check them out. They have 5,000 subscribers. They have 2,000 subscribers. What does that tell you? For me, I have close to 300,000 subscribers on YouTube. But when I changed my niche, everything went down the drain. Some people are unsubscribing. I see them because they subscribe because they wanted to see skincare, and unfortunately I am doing something else. So whether you are like me who wants to change your niche or who do other things, don't be phased out by people unsubscribing, because when you find the people that love you, that believe in you, it doesn't matter what you put out there, they will watch. But the algorithm is something that is not sending your subscribers the messages that you've just dropped a video. So weigh your options. For me, I pick TikTok and Facebook. And then if you're following me on YouTube, decide, do you want to come with me on a ride to Facebook? I love me my Facebook. For now, I don't know what the algorithm will be. And Facebook started paying just during the time of TikTok, of pandemic. So I joined at the right time, and consistency is the key. If you're very consistent, you will make it happen.